Well, I'm Nathan Ingram. I'm the owner, along with my wife, Lindy, of Lone Star Behavioral Health, which is a hospital in Texas. It's a small, licensed, Joint Commission accredited inpatient psychiatric facility with a 168-acre outpatient campus with some facilities not far away from the inpatient center. The thing that makes our operation special, in my eyes, is the philosophy that we bring to it. Our whole idea behind having a hospital and an outpatient center together is to bring together the things that we are convinced help make people well. So we try to bring the best medicine we can, we try to bring the best therapy we can, we try to provide the best environment, the most tranquil environment that we can. But then what brings it all together is, for lack of a better word, you call it love. Well, we love the people, and we try to touch their spirit and have fellowship with them in that way. And that, I think, gives people the very best chance they have at living a whole and healthy and well life. Yalom wrote a really good book, and in his book he said it's the relationship that heals people. And so without that, then we have good medicine and we have therapy and we have these other things, but the binder, the glue that creates a whole and healthy human is relationships with other humans. And so we're small enough that we are able to develop these human touch relationships with the people who come to us for help. And that ends up being one of the most powerful components of our whole program. Our outpatient facility is really a beautiful campus. We're really close to Tomball, Texas. It's a 168-acre campus, and we have probably 5 buildings here, but we designed it to kind of look like a horse farm with pretty fences. And part of the reason behind that is we have horses here, and we do equine-assisted psychotherapy, which is a really effective modality for people. There are things about a horse that are very beneficial in getting to people's problems. If we go back to the idea that it's the relationship that heals people, then we must conclude that it's probably a lot of times relationships that tear up people. So relationships destroy as well as heal. So part of the challenge of treating a client is to help the client establish the ability to have honest, authentic relationships with other people. And that goes a long way toward healing them. So if I can ever establish this relationship with a horse, it forces me to look outside myself to another creature and say, how do you think? How do you behave? What must I do in order to establish this relationship with you? And then you have a horse that'll come to you. Then you can translate that over to people and establish relationships with people after having done it with a horse, because it's a lot easier to learn it with a horse than it is with a person. Therein, I think, lies the effectiveness of equine-assisted psychotherapy. At Lone Star Behavioral Health, we strive every day to develop and maintain a team of people of various disciplines who are really good at their job, who are professionally trained, from the psychiatrist all the way through to the nurses, the therapists, the techs who help provide, the clerical staff, the people who answer the phone. Everybody is laser focused on this one thing, that the client is the most important thing that we are here for. And our job is, in this little space of time when they are here with us, we do everything we know to impact the rest of their lives. And that's what we want to do every day that we come to work.